This is Sandi. You can call me Sandi. Today I'm gonna find something interesting for you guys. Come along with me. Yay! I found there are so many food restaurants and vendors, so let's go there. Oh, this is a bimo. I want to eat that. Well, it's only cost 400 just for each. So I bought two. So it's around 800 just. So yeah, I think it's around 30 cents. It's really cheap though. Well, this is our Burmese pancake. Since this is made with jaggery, it's like sweet taste. It's a little savory. So let's go another place. It's so sweet. Oh, it's really sunny because it's going to be a summer soon, but I think it's already summer. Oh, beside me there's a huge Hindu temple. I think they are celebrating some event because they decorate some something on the street. I'm not sure. It's a chicken stick, so I will eat a little. Well, I already picked my steal, so let's try together. This is, I think, chicken skin. Only costs 500 just for 4 sticks. And these are only 100 just for each, so it's really cheap. Chicken bean black, because it's made with bean. Well, I finished here. Before I go another place, I would like to shout out to Mr. Kokin who is the Immerse member of our membership program. I really appreciate for your help, sir. Thank you so much for your support into our channel. So let's go to another place. Well, I'm a little bit thirsty, so I'm gonna find some drinks. I ordered strawberry soda. I'm waiting. I got my juice. It's so too much sweet, but it stays fresh. So let's go. By the way, this drink is only 1,500 just, which is around 50 cents. So it's really cheap. Well, I hope they will be more better if they're not that too much sweet. Yeah. Well, I think the video is long enough for today, so I'm gonna stop my video today here. If you like my video today, you can like this video and this video. So, ta-da! See you guys in the next video. Bye.